All right then, welcome to part 2.
I haven't seen you in ages.
All right, Chris, you've seen it, you've heard it, and you're still asking questions?
When do we go for a ride?
Okay, I'm gonna put it back on. Alrighty, Chris. Here we go. Our maiden voyage in your car. We will have to work out some of the bugs. There's a few things I still want to fix.
Yeah.
But they're small.
Teething problems.
You're right. I'm really glad you made me put these straight cut gears in there.
Yeah.
Listen to that. Oh,
So good.
that is so good. Wow.
Feels good.
This is a healthy motor. And it's only going to get better as it breaks in.
Yeah, totally.
Something about a genuine Cooper-esque engine. They're just awesome. They're smoother,
Yeah.
they rev, and it just seems like they spool up quicker. Just can't beat a real S motor. Only bummer is they are expensive.
Just don't blow it up.
Don't blow it up. Let's see how the hydro is over these bumps.
It's quite comfortable.
That's awesome.
Softer than my other ones, more forgiving.
These are big bumps we're going over, and it's just
Swallow them up.
wow.
It's going.
Okay, we hit just about 100.
Right, spin that around a little moment. See what this looks like.
This car is fast. This thing is really fast. You're gonna have a hard time not breaking the law.
Yeah. I
Chris
am the
Law.
Yeah, I knew that.
You are the law.
I knew that was coming. Yeah, that old one. That old chestnut.
Does it feel better sitting over there?
So much better. On the proper side. Just more natural for me, you know?
Yeah, I bet it is. I can't believe he's keeping up with us.
It's crazy.
And he's zigzag, he's carving. Look at Keith back there doing 45 miles an hour on a unicycle, following us with a camera.
Filming it now.
Look, we can't lose him. That's unreal. Here he comes. We're doing 35. He's passing us. Wonder what those women are going to do. How was that?
That was pretty epic, mate.
Epic,
Pretty
yes.
epic, mate. Yeah.
In England, they say mega.
That was mega.
That was
top.
mega.
That was blinding. Proper good.